Standing here bright in my life, who the fuck are you? Memories inside, high brain doesn't have a clue. Worries put beside, bottle full of your brew. Everything black, white, evidence true. Blue rings like a chord stroke, sustained grew. Drums of a spasmodic nod my head too. The strings catastrophic melodic, I thank you.
Hi, welcome back to Scentuality. I'm back again today with another formula. This one is more along the lines of 4711 or something like Portofino. I actually started with a formula from the web. This is, your typical Orange Blossom Fougere, and it's a great formula as it is, but I decided to build on it, make it slightly more aquatic, make it a little bit more complex, a little bit more personal to me. Again, inspired by the sea. I'm going to say sea, as my wife corrected me. We don't live near an ocean. It's a sea. It's the Baltic Sea. It's just a lapse in words. But anyway, I thought I would say it correctly just for her. Basically what I did was, and these are in no particular order, I added, the original formula: 20 drops of bergamot, 2 drops of lavender, 10 drops of oak moss, 3 drops of geraniol, 2 drops of orange flower perfume oil, 3 drops of amyl salicylate, 5 drops of phenyl ethyl alcohol, 5 drops of citronellol, 5 drops of linalool, 5 drops of methyl ionone, 3 drops of benzyl acetate, 2 drops of a rose perfume oil, 3 drops of a jasmine perfume oil, 5 drops of patchouli, 2 drops of vetiver, 5 drops of coumarin, 2 drops of vanillin, 10 drops of iso-E super, 5 drops of muscatone, and 3 drops of a sandalwood base. Now, obviously, I've substituted some of these materials. Now I'm going to talk about the extra things that I added. So, obviously, the original formula called for amber. I added 5 drops of iso-E super. I turned that into 10. I also added 2 drops of clove leaf, 2 drops of, let's see if I can remember what this is called, dimethylbenzyl carbonyl butyrate, I believe, DBCB for short. I added 1 drop of champignon oil, 2 drops of ethyl salicylate. I added 3 drops of pink grapefruit, 5 drops of fixative 505. I added 2 drops of bay, 1 drop of undecavitol. I added 7 drops of centennial, which in itself is an aquatic accord, a little bit less like cologne, not really like floral ozone. Somewhere it's kind of like a finished shower gel in my opinion, a little bit like along the lines of, I have a perfume oil called Water and Light. Smells quite similar. I would assume that there's some centennial in there, or something like the mushroom fluorescence from the Perfumer's World. It has a very finished shower gel vibe. All 3 of them do. I added 7 drops of centennial. I added 2 drops of methyl octene carbonate, 2 drops of diacetyl. Diacetyl is a buttery molecule. My idea was to, I kind of took that fougere and I wanted to make it more aquatic. I wanted to make it a little bit more like sun cream. So that's why I added a buttery molecule. I added 3 drops of benzyl salicylate. I added 4 drops of ylang ylang, 1 drop of floral ozone. I added 3 drops of cis-3 hexane salicylate, 3 drops of coriander, 1 drop of ethyl saffronate, 2 drops of dihydromercenol. I added 4 drops of cashmerin. The cashmerin was basically to give this hot sand type of a vibe. So it's in there. It's not incredibly distinct, but I just wanted to add that layer. 20 drops of hedione. So there's a fair bit of hedione in here. 2 drops of corvone. Corvone is like a methyl ionone plus wood, and 2 drops of cologne. So this went from being an Orange Blossom Fougere and I guess something masculine to something more unisex, something more along the lines of 4711 or Portofino. It's really beautiful, it's really smooth, really linear, and if you enjoy Portofino or 4711, then you will enjoy this one. So that's all I've got time for today. I'll be back shortly with another formula. You know, carry on enjoying your Christmas if that's your thing. If it's not, carry on enjoying life and have fun making perfume. I'll be back shortly.